Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's daily market update. This is Chief Analyst Ryan Fox, and today's May 21st, 2015. It's an interesting Thursday. We see this morning on Forex Factory a number of different announcements going on. Important to note, we have flash manufacturing PMIs from a number of different economies, including the yen, which came in positive at 50.9, above forecast at 50.3. We also see annual budget release for the New Zealand dollar occurred early this morning. We also had flash manufacturing PMIs for the euro in a number of countries, including French manufacturing, German, and we also see flash services PMI as well. Mostly negative from the German side, and we did see some minor services PMI for the French being negative, but we see that it was also positive for their manufacturing PMI, 49.3, above forecast at 48.6. Later on in the afternoon, we have ECB monetary policy meeting accounts happening at 12:30, unemployment claims for the dollar at 1:30, existing home sales for the dollar at 3 o'clock, and also consumer confidence for the euro at the same time. Following later, we even have President Draghi speaking, as well as FOMC member Fisher speaking. Draghi is going to be speaking at the ECB Forum on Central Banking in Portugal. And member Fisher is going to be speaking on inflation and unemployment in Europe and Portugal as well. So we're having some specific speeches there. To note, we also have retail sales month-on-month coming in for the pound at 9:30, 1.2% above positive 4.4% forecasted. We can see the previous performance on that asset if we click the graph icon here. Let's take a look at quote list just to get a good sense of where assets are right now. We see WTI crude position 1.3% upstairs, having a high of 59.78 and a low of 58.6 as compared to yesterday where we had a high of around 60.5. Aussie New Zealand dollar 0.91% upstairs as well with a high of 1.56 and a low of 1.55. Euro dollar 0.61% upstairs. We also see gold and silver slowly creeping up. Biggest drops today we've seen mostly looks like the yens for pound yen, dollar yen, and euro yen headed downstairs. If we look at the charts, we can see so far right now euro dollar hanging around at 1.116, silver at 17.6. We also see gold at 12.08 and dropping from yesterday where it had a much higher movement. We can see earlier yesterday we had some very large movement happening. It was very, very volatile during this period of time around 7 o'clock yesterday. That was when we had speeches from, we can take a look back at Forex Factory. Yesterday we had speeches late in the evening. We can see it was a FOMC meeting minutes for the dollar. So in those minutes, we saw some negative results there that brought gold down and also the dollar down. So we saw some interesting reactions to that report. Nonetheless, gold right now is 12.08, having a high yesterday. If we even do a quick analysis, having a high yesterday, it looks like appears to be around 1,212. So we're about a $4 spread right now, which is not too bad, but we can see, looks like gold is picking up more weight there as it's heading downstairs even further. We can see right now dollar yen 121.112, FTSE 100 also headed upstairs 7,000 at the moment, DAX above 11,790. We also see Dow Jones having a bit of a dip from looks like 18,340 to now 18,285. And pound dollar right now hanging around 1.567. That's today's daily market update. You can also find out more about our daily market updates by going to our YouTube channel, and also you can find more about what's happening in technical analysis by attending webinars hosted by yours truly, Ryan Fox at OptionsXO. Take care and have a wonderful Thursday. Enjoy the trading and good luck.